What if I told you that everything you know, your life, your choices, even your sense of self, is just one version of countless possibilities? And what if, in a parallel universe, you made different decisions, leading to a completely different life? The concept of a multiverse suggests that not only do multiple realities exist, but you might be living in one of many parallel worlds right now. This mind-bending theory challenges everything we know about reality. It suggests that there are countless versions of the universe, all existing side by side, with infinite variations of your life and every choice you've ever made. But how could this possibly be true? And what evidence do we have to support such a radical idea? The multiverse theory is one of the most fascinating and controversial ideas in modern science. It suggests that the universe we live in is not the only one. There could be an infinite number of other universes, each with different physical laws, different histories, and even different versions of you. The idea of parallel realities has been explored in everything from philosophy to science fiction, but recently it's gained serious attention from scientists. One of the biggest clues that our reality might be one of many comes from quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of subatomic particles. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon called superposition. But when observed, these particles seem to choose one state, collapsing from many possibilities into a single reality. This strange behavior has led some scientists to propose the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. According to this idea, instead of collapsing into one state, the universe splits into multiple versions, each representing one possible outcome. In other words, every time a decision is made, a new universe is created, where an alternate version of reality plays out. This means that in another universe, you might have chosen a different career, lived in a different city, or even taken a different path in life. And this isn't just science fiction. The many worlds interpretation is a serious hypothesis in quantum physics, backed by respected scientists and researchers. But if there are countless parallel universes, how could we ever prove it? One of the biggest challenges with the multiverse theory is that it seems impossible to test directly. After all, if these parallel worlds exist, they might be completely inaccessible to us. However, some scientists believe that there may be indirect evidence of the multiverse lurking in the very structure of our universe. One possibility lies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. This radiation provides a snapshot of the early universe, and some researchers have noticed strange anomalies in its pattern. These anomalies might suggest that our universe has collided with another universe in the distant past, leaving behind a cosmic fingerprint of the multiverse. Another area of interest is black holes, the mysterious objects that warp space and time. Some scientists speculate that black holes could be gateways to other universes, where matter and energy disappear from our reality and re-emerge in another. If this is true, black holes might be more than just cosmic phenomena. They could be portals to parallel worlds. But the multiverse theory isn't limited to quantum mechanics or black holes. It also appears in string theory, a branch of physics that seeks to unify all the fundamental forces of nature. String theory proposes that the universe is made up of tiny, vibrating strings, and that these strings exist in multiple dimensions beyond the familiar 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. In some versions of string theory, these extra dimensions could contain entire other universes, existing parallel to our own. These alternate realities could have completely different laws of physics, making them invisible and undetectable to us. But what does all of this mean for you? If the multiverse theory is correct, it suggests that your life is just one of an infinite number of possibilities. In another universe, you might be living a completely different life, shaped by different decisions and circumstances. This raises profound questions about fate, free will, and the nature of reality itself. If every possible version of your life exists in some parallel universe, does it mean that all outcomes are equally real? Some philosophers argue that the multiverse offers a new perspective on the concept of free will. Instead of thinking of your choices as determining a single path, the multiverse suggests that every choice creates a new branch of reality. In one universe, you may choose to take a new job, while in another, you stay at your current one. Both choices exist, but in different realities. But does this mean that all possibilities are predetermined, or do we still have control over our own destiny? The multiverse theory blurs the line between determinism and free will, offering a radical new way of understanding the consequences of our choices. Some scientists and philosophers even suggest that the multiverse could help solve some of the biggest mysteries in physics, such as the fine-tuning problem. This problem arises from the fact that the laws of physics in our universe seem perfectly calibrated to allow for the existence of life. If any of these laws were slightly different, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. The multiverse offers a potential solution to this mystery by suggesting that there are infinite universes with different physical laws, and we just happen to live in the one that supports life. In this view, our universe is not special or unique, it's just one of many. But as intriguing as the multiverse theory is, it's important to remember that it's still just a hypothesis. There is no direct evidence yet to confirm the existence of parallel universes, and many scientists remain skeptical. However, the idea of the multiverse continues to capture the imagination of both physicists and philosophers alike. And as our understanding of the universe deepens, we may one day discover whether we truly live in a multiverse, or if our reality is the only one. The concept of the multiverse raises profound questions about the nature of existence, the limits of human knowledge, and our place in the cosmos. Are we just one version of ourselves, or do infinite versions of us exist across countless parallel realities? These are questions that challenge our understanding of reality, but they also invite us to explore the mysteries of the universe in new and exciting ways. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the multiverse, where reality is just one possibility among many. Be sure to subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of science, philosophy, and the cosmos. Until next time, stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the wonders of existence, because the truth may be far stranger than we can imagine.